Hello and welcome to the Wireshark recipes. Now let's talk about the course overview. So in this course, first of all, we are going to learn about the basics of Wireshark, and we'll learn about how you can install Wireshark inside Linux and Windows operating system, and we will talk about various interfaces. We'll learn about the various key functions inside Wireshark graphical user interface. Then we will learn about the Wireshark command line interface, T-Shark. Then we will learn that how you can monitor and secure cyber attacks in Wireshark. And finally, we will end up this course with the Wireshark troubleshooting steps. Now, if I talk about the course goal, then you can see in the first point that the course is designed to provide fundamental skills needed to analyze the network using Wireshark. So we are going to cover all the features of Wireshark inside this course, and student will also learn about the various features of Wireshark as well as troubleshooting steps inside network. If I talk about the setup, we have a very simple setup here. We have Windows and Linux machine, and inside both machines we will install Wireshark, and then we can use Wireshark for gathering information about the network. So why you should take this course? Because we are going to discuss about various features of Wireshark inside it. We will learn that how you can monitor and secure various kind of attacks inside your network, and finally we will learn about the Wireshark troubleshooting steps. So this is all about the course overview. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you inside the course.